In this video, we will talk about how to fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Clear icon cache. Click in Search. Type Run and click on Open. Here you need to type App Data and press Enter. Double-click on Local folder. Click on View. Take your cursor to Show. Click on Hidden Items. Here you can see Icon Cache file. Select it and delete this file. Now click on Windows icon and restart your computer to rebuild the icon cache. Method 2. Perform a system file check. Click in Search, type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. In Command Prompt, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Allow the scan to complete. Afterwards, reboot your computer. So that's how you can fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods linked in the pinned comment below. That's all for today. See you in the next video.